ain't no way it's gonna be cheaper than 2 E-Nice Hellcat pumps.
It's a LS, except for the motor. But the computer thinks it's a LS1 still. That's why I say I got 2 knockoff sensors. I get to redo. Yeah. It's in the top of the bottom or something like that. Let me see. Let's see. Yeah, they got the blue bottom and intake. This dual kind. Yep. Cool. It'll run or it won't run. You'll change it if it doesn't.
Find the ad that
Okay, well, let me get off of this right. Oh, you had that. Oh, I didn't know you had that on the back of your thing.
Yeah.
I thought you was just tapping it with the pin for a second. That's why I was pointing that out. It's doing things I never seen before.
Yeah, so you're supposed to do it first before you do anything.
I did kind of mess up the whole system of a quick and easy crank up, you know, that they advertise.
Yeah.
I totally threw that out the window.
Yeah, I want to wait for the guy to tell me they come up, oh, we bought the wrong terminator. Let me tell you, you did. It's that wrong post.
Yeah, like it's something simple. Yeah, like I know, dude. Like you can if you want to. Now I solve it better than I do anything else. I wasn't nervous about that. For real, never seen them screens before.
So you can do some of the stuff in here,
But not enough.
yeah, like overview. You can do some of that stuff.
I swear one of the lights changed. Is that
probably did.
Is that the knock?
I don't know.
That one red light? Hey, I gotta replace that and check my oil. I don't feel bad because that's some gassy ass oil. That's why I don't even feel bad. I gotta change it from all them times I tried to crank it. I ain't getting no spark, so I got a lot of gas. So I got some real gassy, cheap Walmart oil in there, but yeah, I ain't mad at that. Everything got slightly warm. It's on the boost tune. It's tuned for boost. I ain't got no charge pipe. And my old 2 cents. Let's check this out. So I uploaded a boost tune file. Well, my friend Eddie did. Eddie the man. Eddie got the firing order right for me. I hooked everything up right except for I didn't have the ignition firing order right. And I did not have, there was one red power wire. I thought it was an output of power. No, it needed 12 volts constantly while cranking. So that's why I ain't had no spark. But yeah, buddy, look at all that oil. So obviously I'm gonna need another turbo fitting for sure. How much oil it leaked? It leaked plenty. Ooh, it leaked plenty of oil. Anyway, so yeah, there it is, guys. I told you. I don't know if you can see. I told you that the next time I did a video, it would be with that running. There it is. It's running. I did it in the time frame I said. I worked all last summer. So I worked 2 summers on this. All summer straight. Cause I don't do jack in the winter, man. Look, bro, it's too cold to be working out here in January, February, hell, even March. It's a no-go for me. Rain, obviously, this is not a garage. It's just out in the air, so, yeah, I pulled it off. You can even see the carbon from the intake backfire from when it was hooked up in a bad order. I'm glad it didn't destroy my intake manifold, but it wasn't like a powerful nitrous pop or nothing. Let me get you off the tripod. But yeah, that's it, guys. I'm gonna get me another turbo drain because it didn't work out for me. In the case of this one did not work out for me. But yeah, it's good to see some fire in the pipe, so to speak. I'll get back to you with a tuning video that Eddie is gonna be pretty much Eddie doing it. I ain't tuning jack, brother. Like, I put it in, but like I was saying, it's pretty obvious that my exhaust is just gonna come. There's a guy that got a 90 degree. I'm just gonna buy a 90 degree and run it right there, brother. So I'll be at Harbor Freight looking for that 3.5 inch, 4 inch hole saw that I'm gonna have to use. Still got a little bit of smoke coming out the exhaust pipe. I'm okay with it. I'm sure it is cooking off all kind of stuff. But yeah, this thing leaking right there. It's leaking like that. That oil drain leak on both ends, bro. I don't even know what to say about that. Other than I don't want to tighten too tight, but since it leaks here, I'm not even gonna worry about tightening down there anymore. I'm just gonna take this off and get another one. And I'm gonna get another piece of this for this too. So yeah, man. I appreciate anybody that's watching the videos. I know it ain't many of y'all, but like, share, subscribe. Obviously, I'm gonna get a drive here, exhaust, intake pipe. I've done half the intake pipe. Look, so I got this side done. This side of the intercooler is just from here to there. That's all under, just here to there, and then I'll be running under a little bit of boost, and that'll be nice. Yeah, I'm about to spray some brake cleaner on that damn thing right there. Clean it off and yeah, go about my business, guys. Like I said, next video will be Eddie trying to tune the fueling map and the idle and all that. And I'm gonna have boost pipe and hopefully I'll have an exhaust so I can just weld the bong into there and you'll be getting a clean read instead of it just blasting in the general direction of the O2 sensor. That's definitely not an efficient way to get a good air fuel reading, but it's what we've done for now. So yeah, like I said, just stay tuned, hitting the like, leaving a comment, all that helps me in the algorithm. Seriously, I appreciate it. You know, you got to do crazy, silly stuff like use vegetable oil as motor oil or something like that, and I just ain't willing to do any of that silly stuff just to get a rise in the algorithm. If you see it, you see it. If you don't, you don't. It's okay. But if you're a true Volvo guy, please help share it in the Volvo community for me if you don't mind. I'm out.